global enthusiasm and adoption of electric vehicles is really growing fast, as you already heard earlier, but it has a black mark around battery fires and safety. Varia Batteries has a patented battery cell solutions to eliminate fire hazard altogether. Please welcome founder and CEO of Varia Batteries, Mr. Sunil Mehta.
Thank you, Dushyant. Hello, I am Sunil Mehta, CEO and co-founder of Varia Batteries. We have a patented technology of ultra-safe lithium-ion battery cells. EV battery packs consist of hundreds to a few thousands of battery cells. These packs are engineered to the highest standards of safety. But still, spontaneous fires like this video are being reported. Dendrites, an inherent problem of lithium-ion cells, is a major cause, normally initiated by a single cell. 4 major OEMs had to recall over 200,000 EVs due to such battery fires at a staggering cost of over $2.1 billion. If this problem is not addressed, and with the rapidly growing EV population, by 2030, the impact could be over $40 billion. Research on solving the dendrite problem has been going on for decades. But even today, all the commercially available cells are susceptible to the dendrite problem. This is a video showing an example of how even a small area of exposure, the kind of impact it can create. We are the first to solve this dendrite problem. Dendrite formation starts with lithium plating, which occurs during charging. Our patented anode material and electrode structure design helps us prevent lithium plating, and thereby our cells have no dendrite growth in them. This is a destructive test video of our cell. The cell was subjected to an abusive charge-discharge cycling test. Even after a large area of exposure, unlike the previous video, you can see it is showing a very safe behavior, thus bringing in the much needed inherent safety in the battery pack designs. Dendrites also cause early failures due to side reactions. This leads to replacement of modules, as single cell cannot be replaced. This kind of replacement costs are over 30% to the EV OEMs, and our technology would save this kind of cost. Our focus will be on all types of EVs. With a target market of $1.8 billion in 2022, it will grow to over $150 billion by 2030, offering us a huge growth opportunity. Our customers are strongly attracted to our dendrite-free safe technology. 7 of them have already signed up to conduct field trials. We are also in talks with more from the target pool. The successful field trials will lead to paid pilot orders followed by regular monthly orders. On the parameters of energy density and cycle life, we are equivalent to the best in class, but on the safety level, we are far superior. With a high growth market and a differentiated product, we will grow at a CAGR of over 75% with an EBITDA of over 25%. And in 5 years' time, we will cross revenue of over $1 billion. Our team comprises of myself with 37 years of business experience, having founded 2 companies operating successfully. Professor Sagar Mitra with 16 years of research experience in lithium-ion cell, having 100 papers and 25 patents. Prasit with 10 years of experience in material research and battery cell production. Having completed the scale-up process of reaching the large volume production, we are now looking to raise $2 million to do industrial production, test equipment purchase, customer field trials, and executing pilot orders. We will cross revenues of over $1 million with a funnel of over $50 million. This is an unprecedented high growth opportunity, and we look forward to your participation in this exciting journey. Please join us in the booth. Thank you.